Hello everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, I would like to introduce a very powerful software called Vijeo Basic. This software is very useful in developing human-machine interface applications on a variety of Schneider Electric HMI offers. So if you are interested, please watch the entire video. Let's begin. The first step is to open up Chrome browser. We then navigate to the search bar and type in Vijeo Designer Basic 1. To download. We are directed to Schneider Electric link, and because we are clear on what we are searching for, our first search result is what we will click on. Inside the website interface, we shall navigate to the download button on the far top right part of the page and click on it. As you can see, the download is in progress as indicated by the circular progress chart here. Once done, we are notified by the appearance of this compressed WinRAR file. Clicking on it opens up a window that will enable us extract the install files. Let's close this pop-up as we have no further use for it. Then navigate to the .exe file and click on it to extract the files. The download wizard actually directs this simple process, and all we have to do is click Next. Agree to the license terms and click Next. This leads us to where the directory of our files will be stored. This is okay, so we click on Next. Next is where we will store our application files. I also recommend we click Next. Here we can choose our language of use. I will choose English. I will accept an icon on the desktop and go Next. And we are finally ready to install. Click on Install. This process of installing will take a couple of minutes depending on your computer specs, so I will have to jump to the end. See you there. I don't know about you, but mine took close to 4.5 minutes. But we are finally there. Click on Finish and Vijeo Basic 1. To software is ready to roll. Let us open the software by double-clicking the icon located to our desktop monitor. Here, two windows pop up, one for the actual environment, and one for the release notes which instruct the user on how to use the software features. Since we are not going into details on functionality, we are going to ignore the release notes for now and focus a little on the environment. I will just do a simple survey for your benefit, but a much detailed review and use of the application is inbound in the next few weeks, so do not fail to hit the subscribe button so we can grow. To create a new project, we navigate over to the toolbar at the very top. Under File, there is an option to create a new project. If we click on it, the same window appears. We can then rename our project for easier reference. Also, we are allowed to comment on the project to provide some feedback to the user. You can target one or several HMI targets, which is the HMI you intend to make an application for, as well as add a password prompt. Next, we are allowed to edit our target HMI and its specific type and model. The one I intend to use is HMI GUX3212. The next part is about establishing communications, of which we will not delve into just yet. And there we are ready to develop our first program file. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing to get further content like this. Bye.